Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Joy, and in today's video guys, we're going to be making fenugreek oil. Fenugreek is a great source of protein and amino acids that helps to repair damaged hair. Fenugreek also contains lecithin, which acts as a natural emollient that deeply conditions and moisturizes the hair and scalp. It also makes the hair stronger from the roots by providing rich nourishment, thereby effectively controlling hair shedding. To make the fenugreek oil, I measured out a quarter cup of fenugreek seeds. So I added the fenugreek seeds into a glass jar, and into the glass jar I'm going to be adding some carrier oils. Here are the carrier oils I'm going to use. You don't necessarily have to use all these oils. All you need to make fenugreek oil is just one carrier oil. Here I'm going to be using olive oil, almond oil, Jamaican black castor oil, vitamin E oil, grapeseed oil, sunflower oil, and some essential oils. So into the glass jar with fenugreek seeds, I'm going to add half cup of olive oil. Olive oil is great for moisturizing the hair. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties that help with scalp health. Next, I added quarter cup of sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is rich in vitamin E that helps to protect the hair against environmental damage. After that, I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of almond oil. Almond oil gives the hair shine and luster. It moisturizes the hair and scalp. It reduces breakage and split ends. Next, I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil have rich antioxidant properties. It also adds shine to hair. Next, I added a tablespoon of Jamaican black castor oil. Castor oil also very good for the hair. It helps with thickness and also helps to keep the hair moisturized for longer. Now I added some drops of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is also very good for the hair. It nourishes the hair and also helps to protect the hair and scalp. Now I'm going to be adding some essential oils. Here I use sweet orange oil and lavender oil. So once I added all the oils I'm going to be using, I shake everything, shake to mix everything up. I'll leave this oil to infuse for 3 weeks. I'll let it sit for 3 weeks, but every day or every other day I'll go and shake the jar just to help to speed up the infusion process. This is a week after I brought it out to shake. This is 2 weeks after. Finally, this is after 3 weeks. The fenugreek seeds has infused in the oil for 3 good weeks. So now I'm going to strain to get our fenugreek oil. See that golden tint to the oil. The fenugreek has really infused in the oil. This oil is definitely one of my holy grail hair growth oil. I handle this oil like liquid gold. Like, I love this fenugreek oil. You can use it for hair. You can also use it for your skin, especially if you're having some skin related issues. It's very good for the skin as well. So my hair is in these chunky twists. I want to use this fenugreek oil to oil my scalp. So I just added it to my scalp, and rub it in, just massage it in. This oil is definitely multi-purpose. You can use it to oil your scalp. You can use it on your hair, to seal in moisture for LCO or lock method, whatever method you use for moisturizing your hair. You can also use it as a hot oil treatment or as an overnight oil treatment. You can also add it to your hair mask or deep conditioners. There are so many ways you can incorporate it into your hair care regimen. Fenugreek helps to fight dandruff. The natural saponins present in fenugreek have rich antifungal and antibacterial properties that helps to fight against scalp infections. So by fighting off scalp infection, fenugreek oil helps in combating dandruff and itchiness. Fenugreek has rich anti-inflammatory properties that reduces inflammation and pain on the hair roots. Fenugreek oil also adds shine and softness to hair. It also prevents premature growing of hair. Let's all take a
has gone and come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the lake.
I really want to be left out of the show, so I also oiled her scalp. She has her hair in this protective style, so I used it to also oil Ivy's hair, you know, apply it to her hair and roots, and you know, rub it in. The most important place we actually need this oil to really notice changes in her hair is on the scalp, because it's very good and healthy for the scalp.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a roll. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
So I just oiled me and Ivy's scalp. I also applied the fenugreek seeds on our actual hair, just a little bit, because we're not going to wash this out. And after everything, we don't need to cover because this is not a washout treatment. So that's it for today's video, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave comment in the comment section.
We must never
And see you in my
stop
next
the
video.
way.
Bye.
Birds chirping